Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I will be showing how to make simple spiral cages for marbles. That's these. They look very pretty. It can be used to cage even medium-sized marbles, as you can see. We've got some cracked ones here, radiated. I did that in another video. And a few other strange looking, probably rare type marbles here. These are what we'll be making, and these are also the actual cages, even though they just look like strange spiral things. These are what constitute the cages. So I'll be showing how to make them and then deploy them. Lots of grassy things around there. Try and move some of the grass. So I've got pre-cut lengths of copper, wire bending tool, very simple to make a spiral. I do like to use the wire bending tools for this though, to keep a more exact shape all the way around. And it can also need some adjustment. You can probably do this freehand and all, if you so wish. Like that, but it won't be as exact if you go fully freehand. So it's better to use a wire bending tool if you have one, or your equivalent. So make a nice spiral. Now I've got to make a spiral in the other direction. Opposite though. Different orientation, so that way. Very naturey here, but I did choose to sit in the grass because it's much cooler today. And it's much nicer in this grass, it's nice and cool. Loads of trees above me. Sort of like big air conditioners. Okay, spiral made. Flatten that out a little bit with pliers, as it can become strangely shaped. Now I'll wrap a marble with it. First, poking. Bit too much of that. Same on the other side. So you have what looks like that. Sort of like a weird spring. Try a different one of these actually. Got a strange sort of beer bottle coloured marble here. So, just like that. And then squeeze it down. We have a cage marble. Does need some straightening on the edge here though. That happens when you're doing that bending there. That's why I have the pliers. So bend that round a bit, make it a bit more shapely. Want the top one also to come down a little bit more. Again, straighten it up. Marble's nicely rotating in the middle, in between. We have a nice caged marble there. Pretty, huh? So make another one of them with the ones that I made earlier. Got a nice sort of strange amberish, yellowish colour there. I'm not sure what the colour to call this marble. Golden sort of, maybe. Maybe. A bit golden. So I'll do a couple more of these. Know how to make the cages now. They're quite simple. Make this spiral assemblage. And then you poke it outwards like that. And then fold it roundwards over the bead. They're ultra simple. Can also be used to wrap these bigger ones with much longer sections. Roughly double the length of the small pieces you use for them. And then you end up with that lovely thing. Look at that blue one. How pretty is that? Sort of ocean blue. I like that one. So, same again. Straighten out the bent bit. Still want to keep a nice angle though, as in going across this way. Very pretty. Very quick pendants, these ones. Once you get the hang of making those spirals, you can crank out quite a number of caged marbles, and they're all very pretty. Probably easy to sell also. Some of these marbles are rare, and likely with the sustainable copper attached to them, worth a few pound. Especially in sets, because they're quite pretty. Look at all them strange blue ones there, or even the white ones. They're quite nice too. Opalescent, opalescent white. Just take a bit of manipulation with the hands on these beads, pushing the copper around, and to get a nice placement, and get a nice and chip shape. Nice these open ones, aren't they? Sort of nice white colour. Bend that a little bit more down actually, at the top. A few more to go, might as well make a few. Another white one here. Let's do a different colour. I've got a clear one. Look at that. Nice and clear. With the larger beads, these ones, it's a good idea to use thinner gauge wire, which is what I've used here, as you will be bending it more, which makes it for more hard work. So thinner gauge make less work for you, and less painful on the hands also. Otherwise you'll end up with hands like this. Lots of animal sounds by here. Birdies and trees and stuff. It's nice, relaxing. Bit off shapes there. That a bit this way. Same D-shapedness by there. Trying to get that nice angle. There we go. Pretty, very pretty. Look at that. Oof, catches the light beautifully with that golden colour with the sun. Very pretty. And that one's clear at all. Got a nice green one here. Sort of beer bottle green, I guess. And a strange sort of bluish green one here. It's only got a tint within it. So I'll do one more, and I'll do the other two a later time. Last one. Well, last one that I'm doing on this video at least. All done. That's sort of very reflective, that one. Very pretty also. All done with all them. Let's have a quick look. So that's how to very quickly and simply cage marbles in a spiral cage, one piece. Well, till next time.